machine learning, blockchain, artificial intelligence, digital manufacturing, big data analysis, quantum communication, and Internet of Things.
Now I'm sure you must have heard about all these topics. I mean, आजकल सब बात कर रहे हैं इसके बारे में. But what if I tell you that there is a field that not many people are talking about? And let me tell you this, it is kind of important. So, as someone who was really interested in knowing how these industry level problems were being optimized, I started looking out for places where people were actually talking about how to solve these problems. And I landed at IIT Delhi. IIT Delhi organized the 6th edition of the Large Scale Optimization Summer School from 1st June to 6th June. The summer school had speakers from across the country, and the speaker lineup included professors from various IITs, professors from various IIMs, as well as actual industry professionals who were solving industry level problems. So when I came to know about the summer school, I thought, this can be a really great opportunity for me to actually understand how optimization techniques were being used to solve real world problems. I thought I had to be there. And yeah, that was the motivation behind attending LSO 2026. The motivation was so strong that even Delhi's 40-degree heat could not stop me. Talking about the structure of LSO, the LSO had some speaker sessions as well as some practical hands-on sessions. Now, some of the speaker sessions were actually about topics which I had covered in my classroom. So, it was exciting to see how these topics were being applied in the industry. The remaining sessions were about topics which I had no idea about, and learning about these topics was fun because some of these topics had some really cool applications. Talking about the practical sessions. So imagine this, you're going on a long drive the very next day and you've made sure that everything is in place. You've filled the tank, tire mein hawa bhar di hai, you have planned your itinerary properly, you've made sure that everything is in place and nothing can go wrong. You go for your good night's sleep and then you wake up the next day only to find that your car's steering wheel is gone. So on the very first day of the LSO, the first hands-on session was after lunch. The lunch was supposed to end at 2:30. I finished my lunch by 2. I came back to the classroom. I opened my laptop to make sure, everything is in place. And, as soon as I opened my laptop, it's a dark screen. And, that was the most unexpected part of the trip. Networking was another fun activity that I took part in at LSO 2026. After the speaker sessions were over, I met with the speakers, I interacted with them, got to know about their perspective, their motivation to, take this topic today. They guided me towards some research papers, some guided me towards their website, some told me really interesting cases of challenges were they facing while solving real world problems. So yeah, the interaction was really fun. I made some friends as well. These guys are from various IITs and IIT Bangalore, and interacting with students who are actually using optimization to solve real world problems is exciting. It's intriguing. We also explored places in Delhi together, obviously. I mean, even though Delhi was hot, we were able to find the time to visit certain places. So, apart from the laptop tragedy, I would say the LSO 2026 was a really good experience and a much needed experience, I would say. I became aware about really interesting topics, which I think नहीं पता चलती अगर मैं LSO नहीं जाता तो. So, yeah, that was a great experience, and I would say it indeed was a summer of optimization.
Quick room tour because we did it in Madras. So this was the room that was allotted to me in IIT Delhi in the Vindhyachal hostel. Basic कमरा था बहुत ठीक है. A common window when this is for double occupancy. So there was a shelf there. For उस bedside के लिए वहाँ पे 2 tables were given, 2 chairs as well. Plug points बहुत कम है इस room में, and but the room is breezy and एक cupboard एक cute सा mirror दिया है, एक अलमारी, and yeah, common space here, for everyone to use. So yeah, that's it. If you're visiting Vindhyachal, this might be useful. Bye bye.